kebab. We haven't had a kebab for ages.
Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. We are at Sheesh, who are doing an amazing job of putting on food for people that want to eat and take away. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if this is allowed or not, Jess. Is this allowed? Eating in the boot like this?
No, I don't think so.
Look, we're gonna try it out. So, we've got ourselves a box full of fun here. Come in nice and close. I think this could be the most expensive takeaway we've ever had.
I think it definitely is.
We've splashed out. We've got quite a few nice things, including truffle chips, which I've seen and I had to try them. All of this, £109. But is it money well spent? We'll find out. Come have a look. Come on and have a look, Jess. As we, you know what? I think I've got an absolute, but yes, Jess just tapped me on the arm. I meant sponsor. This video is brought to you by our favourite friends in the world, Aftermarket Arbitrage. Logo down there. You guys know what they want to do and what they're about. If you guys got free time on your hands and want to spend that time day trading, buying and selling stuff, check them out. You know who they are. Logo down there. I'll put a link to the Instagram in the comments below. Now let's come back to the food. What have we got here, my love?
Oh.
They think they're throwing some extra goodies in.
I don't know.
I think you did say that. Come on, have a look. Right, come on. I've got a look.
Oh.
We've said it before.
One extreme to the other.
Yeah. Look, this sheesh. They know how it's done. Look, first thing I notice, food reviewer out there. Good quality, thick napkins. Jess, can you keep track of time here, please? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just going to lay all of this out. I've gone for a starter, a main, and a dessert. Okay, I've got some extra stuff going in here as well. I can see things on here that I haven't ordered.
So this is actually not £109 worth of
No,
food.
there's
This
probably
will be
more calamari. That
we
is
did-
for the crazy ginger cabbie. I had to get the calamari. For you, mate. Pastry?
These are all so...
I didn't order pastry. Let's just have some sheesh fun in the car, yeah? How are you doing anyway, everyone? All right? Yeah? Good? Oh, mate, this looks and smells amazing. Have you got the venue
Yeah.
on here as well, by the way? It is absolutely rocking.
So pretty, isn't
Not
it?
rocking in like a people sense.
There's no one here.
No one here, but it looks fun. Jess, it's going to take me 10 minutes to get all this out.
Okay, should we pause it and then take all the lids off?
Right, 3, 2, 1. Magic. Right,
Woo!
so we've got, let's just have a little overview of what we've got. I'm not being funny. This looks, as they say in France, fucking good. Is that the way? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Right, this one's,
What have you got?
I'm gonna work my way through it. This is the calamari, the hummus, got some mushrooms, some pastry. Halloumi, sorry, salad, won't be touching that. Real rice, hummus, what's this, Jess?
Taramasalata.
Taramasalata. And this is the black truffle fries. I'm well excited for them. I've got the mixed meat special. Oh, just
I'm so hungry.
first impressions, incredible. Slick, fast delivery as well, wasn't it, Jess?
It was like 10 minutes.
Can you spin round it? We pulled up over there. Can we pull up over there? Come over, Jess, quickly. Not sure you're supposed to be doing this. Pulled up over there. Massive board. Give it a second. This is me on the camera. Massive board. Guy takes your order. Hello. And then it's brought out to the car. Did that enough? Look, let's get on with some food. Calamari. Look at this. I've heard the calamari is banging here.
Yeah, it is.
Look at this. Look. Oh my god. You like calamari from here, don't you?
Yes.
There's first impressions. It's absolutely delicious. That is comfortably the best calamari I've ever had.
it's out of a tin.
Just shows you, doesn't it? Want to try some, love? Right. Halloumi. I've seen this online before. Look at the absolute slabs of halloumi. Butter soft. Spices, flavours. I've got an incredible texture to it as well.
Chunky.
Thick.
And what is it? Thick cut.
All the people out there, don't get excited when I say this. I'm not saying your name. I'm saying thick cut. For people like, oh, did you say my name? And no, it's a thick cut. Mushrooms. Look at these mushrooms. Mushroom lovers out there. Get your pants on.
Now these smell amazing. I don't like mushrooms.
It's just good. Right.
That's a cheese pastry. That's another starter.
Is it?
Yeah, use the sauce.
Use the sauce. Guys, if you've been to Sheesh here before, I know there's mixed bags online about the food, the cost, the service, but strictly food today. What I've tasted so far has been really elegant and a little bit delicious. Quite a lot delicious. Oh my God. Look at that in there.
Oh, I know.
Really delicate. It's like sweet chilli. With the whole thing of this. Let's have a look at this bread and hummus. Now, I know restaurant lovers out there, particularly me, sometimes the best part of any meal is the bread and the hummus. Isn't it you, Jess?
Yes.
If you're starving and you get a good bit of bread and hummus, it can really make or break the meal. If you get a bad piece, oof, it's all downhill from there. Some hummus bread. But if you don't know about Sheesh, it's a bit of a place to come. Everyone comes here. From what I've seen, looks like a really cool place. A bit of a celeb hotspot, a little bit of celeb hangout. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm really interested to try the food to see if it was overrated, underrated. As a place, it looks so grand and like impressive, doesn't it, Jess?
Yeah, it's
I said
like
earlier, it's
good for
rocking,
the
but
gram.
it's like
There's like classic cars everywhere. It's just
statues, flowers,
yeah,
nice seating areas, bit of elegance, bit of class about it.
bit of a destination.
Did the food, is the food stacking up? Really interested to try this. This is kind of, for me, the main event. I've got chicken and lamb in here. And I've also got my truffle chips, which I'm well excited about. So here we go, so this is a piece of lamb. Look at that, look, coming in nice and close. Kebab.
We haven't had a kebab for ages.
Wow. Sheesh. Sheesh lamb. Really thin. Like a thin cut piece. But it still retains the moisture, its tenderness, its succulent. It's like this beautiful outer coating on this lamb. Look at it, look. Wow, okay, cool. Let's get on with the chicken. I think that lamb's some of the best I've had. Occasionally you come to these places. Have I got someone on me? Jess?
In your corner.
There.
Yeah.
Occasionally you come to places that their meat is on a different ballpark to other people. That's up there. It really is up there. Chicken. Look at that. This is like the boot of my car. God knows what it'd be like sitting inside. Don't get me wrong. It's not cheap. I think anyone that comes here wants it to be cheap. It's got an air of exclusivity about it. Classy. And the food backs it up. Can I have another piece of lamb quickly whilst I decide what to have next? What a feast. That lamb was better than the first bit.
Really?
Jessica. That's remarkable. These are pretty.
How much are those chips?
25 quid.
Fucking hell.
What's happened? 25 quid these were. But, Jess, I've said it on the page 100 times. Oh, what's the time check? The time check, by the way? Don't know. Doesn't matter. I've said it on the page 100 times before. For the best chips ever, you pay it. Now, look at these. We've got black truffle cheesy chips. It's just like, that one looks good. Here we go. Ready? They're 25 quid chips. I've had chips before on the page.
Have you?
That you want to catapult back at the chef. That bad. Empty sleeping bags. Disgusting. I actually feel these are the top of Chip Mountain. This is the best. Oh. I'd pay more for them.
No, you would not.
I can't stop. Do you know what they've got? They're like a. Come close. They've got like a roasted, like, I don't know if they are roasted or not. They're like roasty vibe to them.
They have actually.
Do you know what? When you eat a roast potato and it's like got that really rich outer coating that's like sends you crazy and you can't stop eating them with that fluffy interior. Game over. That's, you try one.
I have had them before.
Oh my God. I now want to plough into the rest of this. Guys, this is like exceptional. And the best part is, I follow Sheesh online. Dylan, the owner, I think he's the owner, has been so adaptive to the different lockdowns and things and what you are allowed to do. Dining out here, takeaways, drive-throughs, eat-ins. Incredible. British entrepreneurship at its finest. And I think we should get out and support these people through these very, very challenging times. And for them to be still knocking this caliber of meat, calamari, hummus, the best chips ever. These are the GOAT, by the way. Right, let's just like decompress a little bit because I've got some donuts. Coke, watch. Here's my drink. Service is on point as well. What do you think, Jess?
Yeah.
They were so polite, weren't they?
Yeah. Just like it was like the poshest drive-through, wasn't it?
Oh my God, look at these donuts, look. You ready? So these have got
Maple syrup.
maple syrup, yeah. Let's just pick one up. Let's go for it. Look at that.
I've got like pistachio or something.
Pistachio, little icing dust on top.
Oh my God, it's all over your face.
Luckily, Jess, somewhere of Sheesh's caliber, you're getting a serviette. It's just delicious, Jess. With like some syrup underneath. What a way to wrap up an incredible array of food. We've also got that as well. You can have that. A little like cream cheesecake. Let's just chat about this for a second. The calamari was nothing short of outrageous. The hummus, the halloumi, the mushrooms, my cheese pastry, and my sweet chili dip. The meat was elite meat. The chips, I know they're 25 quid.
I feel like people might rinse you for that.
Let them rinse me. This is not normal for us to come and have Turkish. I'm a little bit speechless. The fact that I'm not even worried about the 25. I don't know. What am I trying to say, Jess?
I don't know.
They were that good. What do you want me to say? Oh, right, we need to give this a score now. Price considered, price, service. Like, look, it's just beautiful. I want to go in. I want to run inside. And
You're not
and
allowed
make myself
in.
at home. Classic car, like, I want to move in. Time for a score. This is up there, isn't it? This is probably the best. Some of the best I've had. Score out of 10. I'm going to give this a. This is a 9.6, 9.7. Let's go 9.7. 9.7. Those chips. 10 out of 10. Straight up. Best I've ever had. Other people need to come and try these chips. And that's now the standard. All chips now. That's it. Right, everyone, thanks for watching. Aftermarket Arbitrage, massive shout out to you for sponsoring the video. This has been a long time coming, and once again, shout out to these guys for adapting to these strange times, doing their best to crack on and continue. Love it. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was a review.